In the heart of a bustling woodland, the sky grew dark. Dappled light flickered as branches danced in the wind. A small avian figure hopped between the blooming ferns. A streak of bright plumage moved, blissfully unaware of the oncoming storm. She chirped merrily, her heart as light as the breeze. Suddenly, heavens opened wide. Rain fell in torrents, drenching the vibrant speargrass. The world blurred into a watercolor of chaos. Amidst the downpour, a trembling creature emerged from the shadows. Stuck in the muddy grasp, it whimpered softly, lost and scared. The small, winged creature's heart raced. She couldn't ignore this plea for help. With newfound purpose, she flew toward the frightened fluff. A motley crew came together, eyes wide with worry. They huddled, brainstorming in the tempest's roar. Together, they could find a way. Wings flapping furiously, she called out plans above the thrumming rain. They would work as one, united by compassion and friendship. Just then, a mighty gust howled, tossing branches wildly. The group stumbled, fear seeped in, but they couldn't give up. "Let's form a chain," the bird exclaimed. One by one, they gripped tightly. United, they became a lifeline stretching through the storm. Together, they tugged with all their strength. Mud splattered, and with one great heave, hope emerged. The bunny was rescued. The clouds parted slowly, revealing a soft golden glow. They collapsed beneath a sturdy tree, panting but exhilarated. Exhausted but joyful, they shared warmth and laughter. In that moment they knew, together they could weather any storm.